To set up your abacus for hand rolling, place the ball assemblies in 2 slots with 1 slot between them. Today I'm going to use slots 3 and 1. Make sure to lock the abacus before using. Today I'm going to demonstrate using the abacus for hand rolling in a horizontal position. You can use the abacus in a variety of positions for hand rolling. Just make sure that your wrist is in neutral and your whole body is relaxed. Slowly roll your hand over 1 or more gel balls, from your fingertips to the base of your palm. Relax your hand before and after rolling as needed, opening your hand wide and extending your fingers. Explore rolling the front, back, and sides of your hand, varying your hand position with slight shifts towards each side of the frame. Keep your wrist in neutral. The benefits of hand rolling: releases tension, restores gliding of muscles and fascia, improves hand movement and function.